Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us today. Automation technology has revolutionized how businesses operate, enabling them to perform more tasks with fewer resources. This shift has resulted in a reshaping of job roles, with certain types of jobs becoming obsolete and new ones being created in their place. In this video, we'll explore how automation is transforming the job market and how it will continue to do so in the future. So before we continue, please subscribe and turn on the notification to keep the videos coming. The rise of automation in the workplace technology is revolutionizing the workplace. Automation is rapidly changing job roles and how we approach our work. Companies are increasingly turning to automation solutions to streamline their processes, increase efficiency, and reduce costs. Automation has already become a common feature in many workplaces, and its impact will continue to be felt as technology advances. Automation can be used in a variety of ways, from basic tasks such as data entry to more complex tasks such as predictive analytics. Automation also enables employees to focus on more value-added activities that require higher-level thinking and greater creativity. Automation frees up time that was previously spent on mundane and repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on more strategic tasks. As technology continues to advance, more and more companies are taking advantage of automation to make their workflows more efficient. This has led to an increase in the number of jobs that rely heavily on automation, which has created a shift in the job market. Automation has been found to have both positive and negative effects on job security, and it is important for employers to consider both when implementing automation. The use of automation has also had a profound effect on the skills needed in the workplace. With automation taking over some of the more menial tasks, employers are now looking for employees who are able to leverage technology to solve complex problems and think outside the box. As automation becomes increasingly commonplace, those with technical skills and experience with automation solutions will have an edge in the job market. How automation is changing job roles. The increased use of automation in the workplace is changing the nature of job roles and the skill set needed to successfully perform them. Automation has enabled companies to streamline certain processes and complete tasks more quickly and accurately. This is leading to an increase in specialized, technology-focused roles, while other positions are being eliminated altogether. Automation is particularly disruptive to jobs that require a high level of manual labor. For example, many manufacturing jobs have been replaced by automated systems, reducing the need for manual labor. In addition, robotics are increasingly being used to complete more precise, detailed tasks that were once the responsibility of human workers. Automation is also changing the nature of customer service roles. Technology is increasingly being used to automate customer service inquiries and automate customer service tasks. This means that customer service professionals must be well-versed in the latest automation technologies and how to work with them. Finally, automation is transforming white-collar jobs. Increasingly, automation tools are being used to analyze data, complete administrative tasks, and provide research assistance. As a result, many traditional white-collar jobs are becoming obsolete as automation continues to make them redundant. In short, automation is transforming the way businesses operate and the types of job roles that are needed to carry out these operations. As businesses continue to adopt automation technologies, job roles will continue to evolve, and the skill set needed to succeed in the workplace will shift accordingly. The future of work with automation. The introduction of automation into the workforce is sure to revolutionize how work is done. As machines become smarter and more efficient, human labor is becoming less necessary for certain roles. This shift has already started to take place, with automation being used in various industries such as manufacturing, retail, banking, and hospitality. Automation has the potential to greatly reduce labor costs and improve efficiency. In addition, it can also improve job satisfaction by allowing workers to focus on higher-value tasks. Automation could open up new job opportunities as well, such as programming and data analytics. This could enable companies to do more with fewer people and allow them to compete in a global market. However, there are still some challenges that must be addressed before the full potential of automation can be realized. For one, the transition to a new way of working can be difficult for many employees. Additionally, companies may need to invest in retraining or providing new skill sets to their workers to help them adjust to the new technology. In conclusion, automation is likely to have a lasting impact on the job market. It has the potential to reshape how work is done, creating new job roles and reducing labor costs. It could also provide an opportunity for companies to become more competitive by utilizing technological advancements. Despite the challenges posed by automation, it is clear that the future of work will never be the same again. And that's all for today's video. We hope you found the information valuable and thought-provoking. As we've discussed, automation is changing the way we work and the roles we perform. While this can bring many benefits, such as increased efficiency and productivity, it also raises important questions about the future of work and how we can ensure that everyone has the skills they need to thrive in the changing job market. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content on the latest developments in technology and how they are shaping our world. And if you have any thoughts or questions about this topic, we'd love to hear from you in the comments section below. Thank you again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.